Hey guys, I know you were expecting for the beginning of this disastrous video, but I decided to come on here very quickly to let y'all know. 1, it is a disastrous video. 2, I decided to not go any further. Although I had promised 6 different spooky treats, I decided to stop so I wouldn't destroy the rest of the stuff that I had. But in the process of this all, I had a plan in my head. I mean, I went as far as writing it out. I mean, I literally had notes the whole 9 yards and quickly realized that that was not going to be the case. I realized that maybe 10 minutes into everything, it was mainly me demonstrating everything that I was doing. Y'all didn't get to see my face expressions. If y'all did, y'all would see how embarrassed and frustrated I was at the same time, just because I was that excited to make this video. And I quickly learned that I'm not Betty Crocker. No ma'am, I'm not. What you're fixing to see is me attempting to do, I think it was 3 things. I realized that if I kept going, who knows, I probably would have blown up my kitchen at the rate that I was going. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Fail! It was a fail! Completely fail!
What's up guys? My name is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie, for those who do not know me. And today I will be making 6 spooky treats. Stick around. Which cake pops, and let the disasters begin. This is just me showing y'all the ingredients to the cake pops. Get those sprinkles, get the frosting. All right, hold it. This is what the cake pops were supposed to look like. This is what the witch hat was supposed to look like. Let's go ahead and proceed so y'all can see what happened. All right, right off the bat, first mistake was the moist cake. It didn't dawn on me until now. Second mistake, adding way too much icing. There, yeah, go ahead, girl. Go ahead, put some, don't be shy. Put some more, girl. Which I will, trust me. I honestly think that if I had just left that amount, the cake pops probably would have survived and not fallen apart. Oh, dang, I gave it away. But, well, whatever. You're going to find out anyways. But, yeah. Here I go. There you go, girl. Scoop it all. Yep. Mm-hmm. Ahí va. Go ahead. Mix it up, girl. Guys, I'm telling you, right there in that moment, I was over here thinking, I got this. This is going to turn out so well. I was over here like, I'm ready for, like, Cupcake Wars. On the Food Network. Get out of town. So right about here, I started realizing that I was not measuring them along with the waffle cones and the Oreos, and you'll see that here in a minute. Wait, let me check. Where is the waffle cone? Boom, waffle cone. That's how the way it's supposed to go, because the Oreo is supposed to go first. There's the Oreo. Okay, moving on to the next. So, the Oreos were supposed to be the bottom of the hat. So that was technically supposed to go on top of the cake pop, right? I don't think I need to explain that. Anyways, right here, I'm just scraping that up. Yeah, we're going to speed that up. Okay, I'm sure at this point y'all are like, what was she thinking? Okay, let me explain, okay? Let me explain. Homegirl does not own a microwave. Why? I don't like microwaves. That's due to my anxiety. Let's just not get into it. Maybe I'll explain it later. So basically what I was doing, I was using the method called baño Maria, is what we call it in Spanish, okay? Which you typically stick the bowl with whatever you're gonna melt inside the bowl into the water. Not completely, right? But the bowl was too small for me to actually let it go into the water. And the first time I tried to do that, water actually got into the chocolate. And that didn't go very well. So I did a second attempt, and I just I used my hand and kind of had it in there and hovering it over the water. And It was a mess, as you can see. Anyways, it did melt, but if you've ever worked with this type of chocolate, you'll know that once you remove it from heat, it will begin to get cold. And it's harder to work with. And yeah, I learned a lot. I made many mistakes, but you live and you learn. Here, I cut this wrong. I didn't realize I was supposed to cut it halfway so I can use the top and not the bottom. And I made that mistake as well. Yeah, that's what happens when you just eyeball things and be like, yeah, I got it. No big deal, because it doesn't look complicated. It's not complicated, however. I don't know. Everything went wrong that day. Oh no. No, that was not supposed to happen. No, this is gonna be a complete disaster.
Sometimes you don't get what you want in life.
So I completely forgot that I was supposed to melt black chocolate so I wouldn't have to do this, but it didn't dawn on me until I was doing that, and I was trying to cover that. Okay, everything I'm basically doing is turning into a disaster. I was working on the witch cake pops, and I think I put, maybe I overdid the icing. I think I overdid the icing, so the cake pop started falling apart. It's a complete disaster. Complete disaster. Let me show you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That did not work out as planned. And yeah, well, let's not get started with the witch hats. I had a vision that clearly didn't go the way I wanted to. So, yeah. Yep. That's the end of it.
Okay.
But if you want, a green ice cream cone, sure, why not? Okay, so needless to say, we're just gonna go ahead and move on to the next thing and hope that that does not fail miserably as well. Okay, let's go. Alright, mummy hot dogs. Literally just 2 ingredients, the croissants and the hot dogs, and literally it's very simple. I think this is the only thing I did not ruin. And apparently they were good. My kids and my husband ran off with them, and I wouldn't know if they were good or not. That's all I'm going to say. So, but they were very simple to make. They did go with the candy eyes. However, I thought that was going to be like a weird combination, so I chose not to add them on there. And I mean, if you honestly think about it, it's just like a hot dog and a croissant. So, yeah. I'm just glad I didn't ruin that. And I was low-key scared I was going to burn them. I'm not even going to play with you on that one. I literally was checking them over and over again. And you really just need to put them in the oven for 12 minutes, and that's it. And they should be good to go. And I did okay in this one. Yay! Mira qué bonitos! Oh goodness. Okay, this part right here, I had actually did record everything for the Rice Krispies. They turned out hard as a rock, and I don't know what happened to the footage, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, not much to say, other than they look like a rock. I decided to stop. I'm just surprised nothing exploded. I'm just gonna say that. Let me just show you. Got some Rice Krispies, sure, if you want to eat a rock. Okay. The mummies, they're gone. My kids ran off with them. We're not even gonna get going with that. We're not gonna do it. What am I gonna do with all these Rice Krispies? I don't even like Rice Krispies. I was supposed to do some zombie brains, even went as far as buying the damn mold. I didn't even go. I did not even go there. What the heck for? Then I was gonna do some boo pretzels and some pumpkin pretzels and some Frankenstein pretzels, but the freaking chocolate did not work. Okay. But when you get highly inspired and you go out of your way to try and to make these things and you fail miserably, well, hot dog. This is the mountain of heck you know, because I can't say the other word. But what is this? What is this? Am I mad? No, I just not. Now I know not to go waste my money on this stuff. Look, I am not Betty Crocker. I am not freaking Martha Stewart. I get it now. I'm just not that, you know? Did I give it a go? Sure. Was I fixing to destroy more things? No. I had this all cute, y'all. Y pa' aquí? Pa' nada. Pa' nada. What? Oh, if you made it this far, I'm sorry. I was like, maybe they won't come out exactly, you know, the same, but I was not expecting a freaking disaster, dude. Okay, it was an experience. Now I know not to go spend my money like that. We're just gonna go buy pre-bought stuff because I know I'm not the only mom that does that. Okay, I tried, but the kitchen said, girl, nah, you are not Betty Crocker, you better get your butt out of here. And I said, okay, I'm leaving. All right, guys, that's enough. I've had enough. I'm sure y'all had enough for me. If y'all actually made it this far and are seeing me complain now, thank you, you know, for watching the disaster of Halloween treats. Appreciate it. Appreciate you trying to help me out there. But guys, no, seriously, thank you. Thank you for supporting me, even on this disastrous freaking day. I think this is the 50th time I say disaster because it was a complete disaster. But I rocked some good old space buns, if that's what you call it, and I tried something new because if y'all didn't know, I actually don't wear dark makeup. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I like about today. So, alright. If you want to see more disastrous videos, I'm just joking, no. I know, I promise I will give y'all a better video after this. But anyways, until next time, stay positive.